especially the members and the leaders of the National Resistance Movement and all the people of LANGO, today a team from the Central Executive Committee of NRM and the NRM Secretariat came to LANGO to brief the members of the expanded District Executive Committee of the National Resistance Movement and affirm that with effect from 1st October 2025 up to 7th October 2025, the presidential candidate of NRM, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda and the National Chairman of NRM, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, will kickstart his presidential campaign on Wednesday 1st, and the first rally will be in Amolatar on that day in the morning. On the same day, Wednesday 1st, he will proceed and address his second rally at Dokolo, also in Dokolo district. Thereafter, on day 2, the president will deliver the presidential address as the NRM party candidate in a Leptong and Otuke district. All in all, the NRM presidential candidate will be in LANGO from 1st to 7th of October, where he will be traversing all the districts and the city in LANGO sub-region. We wish to call upon all the members of NRM, all the leaders of NRM, and all the people of LANGO to join hands, give President Museveni a befitting welcome, and at the end of the day, be able to vote for none other than His Excellency the President, for under his leadership, Uganda has attained peace from north to south, east to central. Uganda has attained development, including in LANGO, and he has been able to introduce wealth creation related initiatives. And for all those reasons and many others, LANGO, through the leaders of NRM, are pledging to galvanize support, are pledging to mobilize the people of LANGO such that His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wins with a landslide victory for the term 2026-2031. LANGO oye! Oye! NRM oye! Oye! President Museveni oye! Oye! Uganda oye! Oye! Northern Uganda oye! Oye!